This patio light is not turning on when we turn the switch. So we're gonna fix it. First, check the breaker. Yeah, all the breakers are on. Drink some water because it's hot. Well, we got a flicker here. Oh, you can barely see that. Huh. Switch off, gloves on. Gonna dismount the patio light. Get pliers. So the wires look all right. So we're gonna check these connections. Just take the wire nuts off. And check the wire inside of the wire nuts for like broken copper pieces. The ground looks fine. Hot. That looks fine. Common. That looks fine. Still flickering. One thing we can do is take our screwdriver, it's also a voltage tester, and hold it up to the wires. Yeah, I mean, the wire, it's kind of getting power, but it's kind of intermittent. Let's check the switch. That's definitely getting power. Got a flat head here, taking out screws. So it looks fine from here. Gonna have to pull it out. Breaker off. Double check, make sure the power's off. Yeah, I don't know, it looks all right. The wires look all right at least. Gonna replace this switch, and then if that doesn't work, we're just gonna replace the patio light. Wire cutters. Gonna take our Sharpie here, mark the top one. Strip these wires a little bit. New switch here. This one doesn't have plug-ins in the back, which I've seen comments about people complaining about, like plugging in the back. It's not a stable connection or something. I've never had a problem with plugging in the back, but we can't plug in the back here, so we're gonna wrap them around the screws here. Breaker on, more water, switch on. There, see, it's on. So there's the switch. How about that? Breaker off. Breaker's on, all good. Like and subscribe.